Do you want to have a thick lashes? Or do you want to regrow your eyelashes? Or do you want to achieve that bushy eyebrows? If you want to know about this product, please keep on watching.
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you, I'm into you.
Hey, what's up butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how do I regrow my eyelashes. I'm not wearing any mascara right now or either curl my lashes because I want to show you really how it really looks like the natural way. And before I begin the video, I'm going to share with you a little tiny story what really happens to my eyelashes. Few months before I go to New Lounge, it's a very well-known eyelash extensions. Miss Heart Evangelista ambassador for New Lounge. So I really get excited and get my new set of eyelashes extend, which I really totally love. And it's very true that di nalalagas yung natural eyelash mo. Kumbaga, they put a synthetic one. Actually, it's not synthetic, it's a natural hair synthetic, so it really glides and blend well sa eyelashes mo. It really looks very real, and when it's fall out, the fake eyelashes only fall out, but your real eyelashes, it's still intact. So, and to be honest with you, it's quite expensive. Hindi ako nagjo-joke. Those set cost me 3,500. Yes, don't worry. Hindi ko siya pinagsisisihan because I really now understand why ganun siya ka-expensive. So 2 months before, it was my son graduation day, and I decided to get another full set, but not in New Lounge. I find that salon near lang sa area ng school niya. It was really an eye-catchy because yung poster niya, it only cost the eyelash set for 550. So, medyo dun ako So there, I grab a chance, and I'm going to show you a short mini clip where I took what are the setup, paano ginagawa. It's totally different from New Lounge, although same procedure that they need to put tape on your upper and lower eyelashes, eye area. But yung comfortable mo, it was dun na rin, yung mood and all. The staff were really friendly. Hands down ako, super friendly. Even the lady who do my lashes, she was very kind and patient. Kasi nga, dun ko lang na-feel yung hapde ng nilalagay dun sa eyelash. Sa New Lounge, wala ako naramdaman, which is totally bago sa akin. But this one, na-feel ko siya as in super mahapde. I can't even open my eyes. So, meron siyang nilagay na fan. I'm going to show you a clip here. Meron siyang nilagay na fan. Dun ako magsistay for a minute ata para yung glue. So, it was a really nice set eyelashes. Super duper, ang dami ko na-receive na compliment. And then when I share with them the price, it was only 550. Yeah, and if you want the 60 sets, I only got the 30-30. If you want 60-60, it's like 700 or 600 ata. Konti lang yung difference, but I go for the 30-30 sets. So it was really different. And yun nga, to make it short, I'm sorry if my voice is not that loud kasi it's almost midnight and this is only my chance. And finally, my ring light is working. And my sister always, make jokes of me kasi nga, ang bongga ng eyelashes ko. She loves my eyelashes. And she's also scared na baka daw mag-fall off yung natural eyelashes ko. Which, nangyari. Natural eyelashes, nalagas siya. I'm going to show you also the fake eyelashes. It has a really thick glue. Doon ako na-concern kasi at the first time it's on my lashes, 24 hours bawal basain, but I do it for 48 hours. So I am using eye goggles pag nagsha-shower. So nawawash yung area dito except yung dito, yung buong eye when you're wearing an eye goggle. So it wasn't washed. but I use a Q-tip where I clean my inner corner of my eye, outer corner, tapos sa lids, ganun. Pero yung eyelashes, I avoided making it wet or contacted with any kind of water muna. Kasi natakot ako. Kasi una, sabi ko, bakit mahapdi nung bago ako malis ng salon? So, I make sure that it will not get any contact with a water within 24 hours. Then, as days goes by, doon na nagsa-start. Nagfa-fall out yung fake eyelashes with my natural eyelashes. Why? I don't know why, but kada nagfa-fall off siya dito or sa pillow ko or even when I wash my face, nakikita ko yung fake eyelashes. Pero, ang kapal ng glue niya, and then next to it are my natural eyelashes. I even asked the lady, pag nag-fall out ba yung fake eyelashes, will my natural eyelashes be intact? Sabi niya, yes. Pero apparently, maybe the glue was really thick, so nadama yung natural eyelashes ko. So, to make it short, I'm using a castor oil from LUXE ORGANIC, and I bought this one sa SM department store sa may Watson area dun. Wala siya mismo sa Watson dun ako nagtakay. Pero under siya ng Watson and it cost only for 109 pesos. So this is a castor oil, natural castor oil. It is a brow and eyelash serum, but I don't need for my brows kasi naturally makapal talaga ang kilay ko So I'm looking for something that can help me to regrow my eyelashes kasi. So I'm going to show you some clip here where I show you my natural eyelashes and the problem within. May isa pang or dalawa atang na eyelashes nakadikit pa siya sa mata ko. And I was trying to show you kung paano yung spacing ng eyelashes ko talagang watak-watak na. And some of them are really cut very short and some of them kalbo. So, itong eyelashes na to, as you can see, super makapal ang glue. As in, I was trying to remove it. I grabbed a Q-tip with an baby oil and tinatry ko siyang, alam mo yun, tunawin yung glue. So, doon na nangyari. Okay, so find this little gross, but I kept all the eyelashes na nalaglag sa skin ko. Medyo, alam ko, medyo kadiri, pero I'll try to get it kasi no joke, the glue was really different from New Lounge. Super iba. Grabe, nagbabalat yung skin ko. Like, kung nakikita nyo guys, wait, nagpo-focus kasi siya dito. Focus ka dito sa kamay ko. Yan. Like this one, kita mo, nagdikit-dikit yung fake eyelashes tsaka yung natural eyelashes. And yung glue niya, ang nakakalungkot lang is when I do this, I can see totally the roots of my eyelashes. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, kundi, to be honest, ang dami. Ganyan po kakapal ang eyelashes na nagdikit-dikit, which is, so I have a solution how to regrow your eyelashes or your eyebrows. But mostly my eyelashes, medyo ako may prob sa eyelashes ko ngayon because it was really short. And I will show you the clip before and after where I was using a castor oil na talagang hindi siya humaba pa, pero kumapal siya, guys. I was really happy and satisfied with the product kasi nakita ko kumapal yung eyelashes ko, as in parang gumanon Hindi siya yung ganun lang. Alam mo, yung parang nagdagdag pa siya ng volume. So, yun yung talagang happy ako sa product. Super happy ako sa product na to. So itong LUXE Organic is in 100% natural castor oil, paraben free and hexane free. How to use this one? You can use this product twice daily, sa morning and night before going to bed. So, sa night, what I usually do, since wala naman ako makeup at gawin na natin to. So, I'll just repeat the price. I bought this one for 109 pesos sa SM department store, so my Watson area. And it consists of 10 ml. And a reminder, before doing your castor oil, kasi since nasa eye area siya, make sure that your eye area are clean, walang makeup or anything. So, wala akong makeup sa area na to. Don't worry. Nag-lipstick lang ako, tsaka kilay. So, lipstick and kilay lang ako today. So, yan. It looks like a mascara wand. Ganyan. Now, how do I use it? Very easy. Para ka nag-a-apply lang ng mascara. You will start from the roots going to the tip. Roots. Winiwiggle-wiggle ko siya. Para siyang mascara talaga because you want the product to spread evenly. Parang mascara. You want the product to spread evenly. Para, alam mo yun, hindi sayang yung effort mo na gumanyan ka dahil mahirap mag-poke sa eye. So, focus lang. Yan. And if you want, you can concentrate more. So, sa tip ng mascara wand, nagpo-focus ako sa mismong yan. Sa mismong, sa mismong pagtutubuan ng eyelashes kasi dun yung serum niya. So, focus ka lang kung saan ang wala. Ngayon, sa under eye, madali lang din. You can get ganun din, parang mascara din. Sa root and then sa tip. Sa root and then sa tip. Then you can just do like this. You're doing a mascara, you're not doing this one. Kasi ganito ako mag-mascara sa under eye ko. Hindi ako nagaganito. Ganito lang. So, ganyan. But tong area na to, believe me, dito talaga ako natuwa kasi dito yung nakalbo nun eh. As in, super nasad ako. Ayun no, hindi na siya makapalo. Maikli pa siya, but I was really hoping na humaba pa siya. But the thickness, I was really satisfied, guys. So, I can say na proven ko to, na gumana siya. The product, if you really want to achieve that long and thick eyelashes or your eyebrows, the product claim you need to continuously use it for 3 months. But I'm telling you now, pang second week ko na to, and looks very, very fine with me. I'm really happy with the result. Umaga't gabi, and hindi ako madamot sa pag-a-apply. Yan. If I need to go back, I'll do that again. Ayan, no? Yan. So there you guys, you have it. That's the end of the video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.